Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Copenhagen, where we have landed 20 minutes ahead of schedule. For your safety, we ask you to remain seated with the seatbelt fastened. Do not place any hand baggage in the aisle or by the emergency exit. When the seatbelt sign is switched off, you're free to switch your mobile phone on. Remember to be careful when opening the overhead bin so that no items fall out. Smoking is only allowed in designated areas. SAS from Starlines hope that you had a pleasant flight. We look forward to seeing you both soon again. Have a pleasant day. Thank you and goodbye.